Matter Now conference. We out here, San Francisco. What's going on, guys? So we are in the city, beautiful San Francisco. It's actually a pretty cool day today. One of my original coaching clients, he was a full-time attorney turned entrepreneur, is hosting his first big event here in the city in San Francisco. So he asked me to come and speak on wealth building and goal setting and business planning, really just the millionaire mind, the disciplines, habits, beliefs, routines, all the things that I've learned from the masterminds and the interviews that I've had on the Millionaire Mindcast. So I'm excited to deliver that talk today. We're gonna get some good grub today, Tone. We're gonna eat our way through the city probably, get some good footage, and figured bring you guys along today. So let's get it. I'm excited to give this talk today because honestly, people that want to build wealth, want to become rich, want to become wealthy, want to live this bigger life are really only missing a few things, but they're important things. So I'm about to bring the heat today and make sure that we over deliver on the content, give them some actionable, tangible stuff. And I know Tone is going to be filming, so we should be able to give you guys some good insights as well. And I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm just a shepherd of this information, passing it on from one mouth to the next. And hopefully it gives somebody, if it's just one person that has that aha or that mindset shift or that inspiration to go out and take action, do something differently, that's what it's all about. That is the difference that can be the ripple effect in a community, in a business, in a relationship that expands somebody's world and, you know, makes a positive outcome for them. So it's fun to be here in the city. Kind of a fun fact, real fast. That building right there, tallest building in San Francisco, is sinking. They did a 60 minutes on it, and these are like $10–20 million penthouses. Joe Montana bought one, and the building is literally sinking. It's falling over. So it's a multi-billion-dollar lawsuit. I always loved the architecture and the real estate in the city, and even the ones that are falling over.
I've been moving, kind of start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love it.
The same way every single high achiever treats their goals. They are in relationship with their goals. They are intimate. Get intimate in relationship and connected to your goals. If you tell yourself these things are important, you should be emotionally, physically, spiritually connecting with these things every single day.
Leave me in the studio, daily self-discovery, holiday recovery, they love them instead of me, and still.
Well, the day is still young, so we figure we're gonna go check out a few of the local spots. I feel like I'm in a scene of Gotham right now. Green water, all kinds of crazy tubes. Love all of the architecture and cool stuff here in the city of San Francisco. Tone's in creative heaven. But we had a really good day. It was fun meeting some new friends. The one thing I love about conferences is you're in an environment where people are open-minded and where people are seeking, right? Seeking to learn, seeking connection, seeking to find new strategies or techniques or tools or whatever it may be, but they're in a place of curiosity. And that is one of the most amazing places that you can be as an individual, and we don't get, at least a lot of people don't give themselves an opportunity to get in that space, get in that mindset often enough. But when you surround yourself with the right people, when you are around other individuals who have like mind, who want to connect, who want to network, who want to share, it's the compound effect. It just amplifies and exponentially adds up to being something really powerful that you just don't get on a daily basis. So I had a really good day. I'm feeling super fired up, recharged. I learned some new stuff today, and I'm gonna share that in another video. But right now, the sun is shining on me. Life is good. I'm gonna try and be as present as possible, and we're gonna go get some more food. All right, well that is a wrap. Diego crushed the stage. Everybody was actually applauding him during his speech. I didn't get that.
It was great.
This guy's got a good story though. If you're not following my brother Diego Corzo, he is a perfect example of anything is possible no matter what is in your way. Whatever excuses you're telling yourself, come check out this dude's story and then come back to me.
Yeah, you can follow me at corso.diego on Instagram, on Facebook. Find me. Always happy to help and share my story.
Peace.